Hey there, homeowners. Today we're going to talk about something that might concern many of you, sump pumps. Specifically, we'll answer the question, is it normal for my sump pump to run constantly? I'm Cooper Killian, your trusted plumbing professional from Golden Rule. So you've got a sump pump, and you've noticed it's been running quite a bit lately. You might be wondering, is that okay? Well, let's dive into it. First things first, sump pumps are like your home's defense against basement flooding. They kick into action when your water levels rise in your sump pit, and they pump that excess water away. But if your sump pump seems to be working overtime, it could be a sign of something amiss. There are a few reasons why your sump pump might run constantly. It could be due to heavy rainfall, high water table in your area, or even mechanical issues like a stuck float switch or a worn out pump. Now let's talk about how much is too much for a sump pump to run. You see, it's entirely normal for a sump pump to cycle on and off as needed. For instance, during a heavy downpour, it might turn on frequently, but it should shut off once the water level drops. But if you notice it running continuously during dry weather or short intervals like 30 seconds, it's a sign that something might be off and you should look into it. Frequent cycling, like every 30 seconds, can raise concerns. If you're in that situation, here's what you can do. First, check for leaks or any signs of water infiltrating your basement. Then inspect the float switch, that little thing that triggers the sump pump's operation. Make sure it moves freely and isn't stuck. And if you're still unsure or suspect a malfunction, it's best to call a professional plumber. We can repair and assess any issues for you. Finally, let's talk about when you should worry about your sump pump. Here are some red flags to watch out for. Unusual noises like grinding or screeching can be a sign of mechanical problems. If you hear those, it's time to investigate. Also, if your sump pump keeps running during dry periods or you notice visible water damage like water stains, mold growth, or moisture on your basement walls, it's time to take action. So there you have it, homeowners. While it's normal for your sump pump to work during heavy rain, continuous operation, or frequent cycling, every 30 seconds should be a concern. Remember, regular maintenance and addressing issues promptly will keep your home dry and safe. Did you know that all 13,000 of our Central Iowa Gold Club members receive free annual plumbing inspections? And if you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a plumbing professional like me. We're here to help you and protect your home. Thanks for watching and stay dry out there.